Hey guys, your boy Just Slim in the building, man. If you don't know, you're gonna know today. Today, I'm going to revenge my secret, the secret you guys have been waiting for so long, man. I hope you guys learn something from the resistance and support because that's what we're gonna need in this video, man. With the kangaroo, I'm sharing my secret, my what's it called, my price action secret, and this price action is called kangaroo. And I don't know what other people call it. People can call it doji or a hammerhead. I don't give a fuck about all those names. All I give a fuck about is kangaroo. This kangaroo is what I've been using for the past few months now, and it has been making me a lot of money. And whenever I break my kangaroo rules, I get the consequences. I sometimes even blow my account because when I get into a big draw now, I don't want to get out of the trade thinking it's gonna go in my direction, and that's the bad shit you should ever be in. If something is going against you, man, just get out, man, for real, because you can still make that money back. Don't be stuck in that trading this thing saying it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up back. No, man, just get out of that loss. You will get your money back again, for real. but but I think that's number one challenge that is going on why people blow so much of their account. But this kangaroo is going to make you thousands of dollars, millions of dollars if you use it the right way. And it's something it's gonna take practice and practice and practice. You know what? Let's get into this. If you are new to my channel, make sure you get subscribed. I'm sharing my biggest secret for trading indices or even currency because kangaroo is everywhere. Kangaroo is on indices. You just need to know what to look for, and today I'll be showing you guys what to look for. This you can never find in anywhere on YouTube. I swear you can't find it anywhere on YouTube. I've looked it up. There's nobody that is explaining this thing. And well, even in the book, it's not, he explained it in the book very well, but in my own way I actually came up with something that I've seen every time that I repeat itself. I'm like, I think this is a secret. Since I find that secret, my life I've never been the same. I won't even lie. Like sometimes I lose, I win more than I lose. That's the main thing. Like I think my winning percent rate on FTMO is 79% win rate, which is good. You know what I'm saying? But in this video, I'll be showing you guys on the kangaroo and like what kind of kangaroo am I looking for and all that kind of stuff. But let's get into this video. This video is probably gonna take like 30 to 40 minutes. I don't know how long it's gonna take because I need to explain in details what you guys should be looking for in kangaroo. But let's get into the video, man. I don't want to waste too much of all your time. If you're new to my channel, make sure you get subscribed. If you have any question at the end of the video, make sure you guys comment below. And I have a Discord channel that if you'd like to join, just text me, email me on I'll put my email down below. You just email me, then I'll send you the link. I'm only looking for 10 people to join. That's it. I go live on that Discord on London session and New York session. I go live both time. And whenever I make enough money on New York session, I don't trade. Whenever I make money on London session, I don't trade New York session. If that makes sense. As you can see on my laptop screen, I have the bullish kangaroo and the bearish kangaroo, and there is different kind of bullish and bearish kangaroo. I'll be saying that in my part 2. So this is going to be part 1. I'll try not to make it as long as possible, man. I'll try to keep it as probably like 20 to 30 minutes, so bear with me. And there's a lot of information in this, man. You don't want to miss out on this, I promise you. But this is not just any kind of YouTube video that I normally make. This video, I'm literally sharing my secret, what I look for before I enter a trade, and where I put my stop loss. As you can see, I have rules. It's very important you stick to those rules, man. It's very, very important you stick to those rules, man. Don't no, with those bearish or bullish kangaroo, I don't enter into a trade, or maybe resistance and support. And I will show you example of multiple trade I did this week. I just want to break it down for you guys. And you can see my number one rule is I don't trade in a kangaroo. That should not be my number one rules. My number one rule is If I don't see a kangaroo, I don't trade. That's it. Period. If I don't see a kangaroo, I don't trade. And kangaroo is always showing up every single day, bro. You can't miss that. So type of bearish kangaroo, and these are the drawings, and you can see. So the this candle are buy candle, and this one are the sell candle. I mean, they really does not have to be a sell candle, but as long as their body is inside the previous candle, I need you to understand the body of that kangaroo have to be inside of the previous kangaroo to be a confirmation. That's like the 100% kangaroo form. But sometimes the kangaroo may not be in the inside and still be a kangaroo. It just depends. You need to have that eyes. You need to be able to see. You need to be able to read kangaroo. For me, it's easy for me to identify kangaroo before. I've been trading kangaroo for like few months now, almost like 6 months now or 7 months, and I've been like I've been seeing different kind of kangaroo that I can't tell you guys, but these are the best kangaroo right now. This one I'm showing you guys right now are the best one, bro. I'm telling you, if you can just look for this kangaroo every on all your trade, you'll be making money every single day. I swear to God, bro. I'm not even making this shit up, bro. I swear, you'll be making money every single day. Because right now I'm on my $100,000 FTM account. That's the one I've been trading for since Monday, and I've already made 5,500 from Monday. I already made $5,500 now. Since Monday, I mean. So type of bearish kangaroo, you guys can see the image. The body of the kangaroo, as you know, this is a kangaroo. That is that kangaroo has the body of that kangaroo has to be inside of the previous kangaroo. I'm saying it again. The body of the kangaroo has to be inside of the previous kangaroo, and the kangaroo can be bearish candle, it can be bullish candle, or it can be doji candle. It does not matter. You see those three drawings I drew? Those are the best bearish kangaroo. In this video, we're just going to be talking about just bearish kangaroo, man. I'm kind of feeling sleepy a little bit. Dang. But let's go through this. Make sure the kangaroo candle close inside the body of the previous kangaroo, like shown below. Example, let's say that's your resistance, right? This is your resistance right here. Okay. There was bullish. The pair or the indices was going up, going up, going up. Then you're just waiting. You'll be patient. Don't just rush into and start selling. No, wait for one kangaroo to form a bearish kangaroo. So as you can see, the thing was going on, going on. Then it end up one of the candle does not end up bullish. They end up as a kangaroo. Means the body has a small body with a long wake, with a long tail, and the body close uh close inside the previous candle, which is it right here. And all you have to do is set 20 pips stop loss or 100 pips stop loss if you can afford it. But if you can afford it, set 20 pips stop loss. And if it's going to go your way, it will never break. It will never get to the kangaroo tail. I promise you. And if it does, it can't go more than like 10 to 15 pips. Even sometimes it can't go more than 50 pips sometimes. It just depends on the pair. So your take profit is going to be anywhere, to be honest with you. Anywhere you think your take profit is going to be. It can be at the bottom. Oh no, it does not matter. But normally your take profit should be at the support of that pair. So and wait for the candle to close before entering a trade is fucking important, bro. Before you can enter a trade, you need to look for you need to wait for the candle to close. Like the time frame I'm showing you guys right now is 1 hour time frame. So normally I use 1 hour time frame, I use 15 minutes, and I use 5 minutes. That's the only three time frame I use. I just look for kangaroo, in those during those time frame. And sometimes when the market is moving crazy, it's probably you. That's why you need to practice to know, so you won't be as scared. You won't be scared to place the trade. Like I said, wait for the candle to close. You need, so let's say, okay, let's say this stuff like this one, I won't even sell this place, bro. I won't sell because there's no kangaroo. The only reason why I may sell at this place is because it's at the resistance. That's the only reason why I may sell. But normally I won't sell. I won't sell. I won't take that trade. I won't. But um, make sure the candle close, man, is I don't care if you think they're gonna leave you. Just make sure the candle, because there's probability it's not going to leave you. But even if it does, like you can see, like this one went down. You see, they won't. They know what they're doing, bro. They know what they are doing. Oh my mom, bro. Don't be in a rush to take a trade, man, because at the end of the day, you're still gonna lose. So why are you gonna be in a rush if you just wait for the candle to close out before you take that trade? And the my number five rule is set 100 pip stop loss or 10 pip stop loss. You know how indices move. If you don't know how indices move, please don't trade it, man. I'm begging you, for God's sake, don't trade it, man. If you don't have enough money to hold 100 pips stop loss, don't do it, man. You know what I'm saying? Or 10 pip stop loss. So the 10 pip stop loss, sometimes it works, but I would say 50 pip stop loss. That's the minimum you can do. 50 pip stop loss or 100 pip stop loss. That's it. Um, I'll show you guys an example very soon, what I mean by 50, because I took a live trade on my FTMO account, on my $100,000 FTMO account. I took a live trade just to show you guys what I mean by putting a stop loss like 50 pips above or 100 pips above, because that shit almost took me out and it actually went in my favor. So number six rule is, if the kangaroo tail is longer than 10 pips, don't do it, bro. It's not worth it. You know what I'm saying? So what I mean by the tail, so the wicks are the tail. The wicks. So this wick is the tail. If that shit is longer than 10 pips, I won't do it, bro. Like this one right here. But that shit is longer than 10 pips. Let's take it. Let's take a look. Yeah. You see? 225 pips. Bro, no, we are not doing that. We are not. We are not. Like I said, we are not doing that. No way, my boy. No way. Let's go for another example though. This, I'm not taking this trade, bro. That candle is way too long. The tail is way too long. That is 272. No way, boy. I'm not taking it. I'm not taking that risk for me. That's for sure. I'm not taking that risk, even though if it's going to play in my own direction. I'm not doing it unless I took that trade from this support. Then I can hold it. But if you take the trade right here, I'm not doing it, boy. I'm not. But because there's a support over here, I probably will. I mean, I won't do it. I just won't do it unless you are like 100% sure it's going to bounce back from this support. You can just take it. At least you can just take it like in the middle from here, and when you form this kangaroo, you can just leave it. You will know, okay, it's probably gonna go up. Like this shit went 1,000 pips, bro. What the fuck? In one day, bro. This is one day, bro. This is one day. 1,000 pips. That shit's insane, boy. The risk to reward is probably is good, because this is like 227 pips down and 1,000. I mean, it's good, but I won't do it. That's just me. I won't do it. Let's look for something else. Let's look for that. This one is good. That's not. Let's look for. Yeah, this is on that one too. I won't take this. I won't. let's mention this. That is that is 237 pips. No, we are not doing that, bro. We are not taking that trade for sure. You can be like, oh, it's going in my direction. I shall take. No, it's cool. Let it go, man. Let it go. Let it go. You're gonna see new opportunity, bro. And this is a inner kangaroo, inside kangaroo right here. I don't do it. I will never take it. And this another 100. I won't take this one too. Even though it's a kangaroo, I still won't take it because the tail is too long. That is 217 pips. No, man, we're not taking it, bro. We're not. We're not. So, but let's be done with that. So, if you are in a trade and under opposite kangaroo form, so if you're in a trade, maybe you're in a sell trade, there's a kangaroo, you took the trade, it's going in your direction, you know what I'm saying? Then under kangaroo, bullish kangaroo form at the bottom, my boy, you better run. You better run so you don't lose all your profit. An example of this is this. Let's go back. So this is a good example. Look at this bearish this thing. It went down, then it formed under bullish kangaroo. That's when I said you have to run. When you see this, run away from your sell and just take another buy. Take another buy. You're probably gonna go in your direction. Like probably like 90% is probably gonna go in your direction because this is a kangaroo. And yeah, that's what I mean by run. So when under opposite kangaroo form, just run away, you know. Or you can even risk it and put your stop loss like right here. So if you take a stop loss, just take on that buy. Because sometimes what they do is they form kangaroo and they never break this week and they just drop. I've seen this shit down multiple times, but that is only on lower time frame, like for probably like 15 or 5 minutes. That's what happened the most. Um, so my number 8 rules is the tail has to be longer than the length of the body. So what I mean by that is this is the body and this is the tail. The wicks is the tail. The tail has to be longer than this body. You know, it's something you can see with your eyes. You don't have to be measuring shit when it's live. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to. Just use your eyes, use your common sense. You know what I'm saying? To measure that shit. The wicks is definitely longer than the body. This wicks is definitely longer than the body. This wick right here is definitely longer than this body. Man, I need to take this shit out. But this wick is longer than this body. I need you to pay attention to that. This, I caught this, bro. What? I'm telling you, this was beautiful. I think the only reason why I caught this was I think it was like 5 minutes. There was a kangaroo in 5 minutes on this. That's why I took that trade. Then I put my stop loss like below. Yeah, but yeah, like I said, let me move this. The wicks have to be longer than the body, so make sure you pay attention to that. Though. Let's look for some on that one. On that one. There's some of this trade that you may not see like it's a kangaroo, but on 15 minutes it's probably a kangaroo. And my indicators telling me there's a kangaroo tail, so that's and that. That's the only indicator I use, bro. I don't use any indicator. I trade naked, bro. I literally, and it has been going good. Like all this kangaroo is a price action, bro. That's the only price action you will ever need in your life, bro. And I don't even want to share this to be honest, but I'm like, why not just do it, man? I already promised I will share my secret. Why not just do it? But you guys are getting this for free, man. You know what I'm saying? But this is another one. This was a beautiful one, boy. Oh my mom. What? Bro, I think this happened like in 15 minutes, bro. I took this trade in 15 minutes. So what happened was there was a bullish and there was a bearish candle kangaroo. It just went down at the resistance. Why here, bro? There's a resistance up to. You see when the kangaroo from over here, it came back down. And this is not really a kangaroo on 1 hour, but if you look at 15 minutes, let's look. Shit, I don't even. Dang, it took me back to the beginning. Oh no, I'm confused. Dang, it took me back. Dang, that's crazy. But let's continue. You just have to take the kangaroo into like resistance and support. Just don't trade like this one. I actually took this trade because of this bearish, and I thought it was gonna come down to this side, but it didn't. It took me out. I lose money on this. I actually lose money on this. Then he eventually now give us a kangaroo. Then came back down. Stupid goat. But this is a nice kangaroo too. Look at that. Oh, nice. That was yeah, nasty boy. Look at the drop. That was good. But I didn't take that trade though. I didn't take the trade. And this was I think there's a kangaroo on this one. I'm pretty sure it was 15 minutes, bro. I'm pretty sure it was 15 minutes. But this one, you see, it took me out. Then it came back up over here, then went back down. You see, I mean, you lose little, you gain more. That's how kangaroo works. You lose little, you gain more. So don't get stuck on your ideology like, oh, yeah, am I still going to win? It's cool, man. As long as you set your stop loss, it's cool. You're gonna win. I promise, bro. You will. Just follow the rule. That's what I'm asking you, bro. I think this thing. Yeah, culture. I think it's too low. But yeah, guys, and this right here is a good kangaroo too, but I didn't take the trade, man. Thank God I didn't take it. It would have took me out. I wish it's cool if you take me out. You know what I'm saying? It's cool. It's cool if you take me out. I'm still gonna win again. This shit have like 5 percent. You have like 85% win rate. This kangaroo, I love it. That's what I use. And I remember when I did not. I didn't follow my rule, and I lose my account. I lose all my account, bro. That shit hurt. Then I started. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna stick to my shit. I know what I'm doing. I just have to be able to. But I thought I saw an opportunity, so I broke all my rules, all my kangaroo rules, because I'm like, oh, this is a good opportunity. Let me enter into this trade. The trade went against me, and I lose big. I lose big, man. I lose big because I was holding up. I was holding up to that loss. I'm like, man, why would I lose this? That's a lot. I can't give up now. I have to hold. The more I hold, the more I keep losing. That's a big lesson, man. And I lose that account. I lose the account, but it's all good though. So let's go to the number 9 rules. The 9 rules is saying the outside tail has to be longer than the inside tail. And what I mean by that is this is the outside tail and this is the inside tail. And the kangaroo does not have to be exactly like this candle that I drew. You know what I'm saying? It does not have to be like that, man. But as long as this outside tail is longer than this inside tail, it's probably gonna take you a minute to see what I'm saying. And this is what I'm saying. This is an outside tail and this is an inside tail. The outside tail has to be longer than the inside tail. Make sure you understand that. I'm not speaking French. The outside tail should be longer than the inside tail. It's fucking simple. It's not that complicated. So that shit is fucking important, bro. Because there was some time that I lose money because I didn't follow my rules too. You know, that sometimes I broke my rules, then I I get the consequence. But it's just something I was able to learn over time. I stick to my shit. You know what I'm saying? I don't chase anything. If there's no kangaroo, I don't chase it, bro. I don't go for it. I thought this bastard is gonna go over here. If you don't know what this mean, you are on your own. I'm not about to tell you, bro. Go look for it. But but I'll tell you though. This is what is called institutional candle, right? Yeah, my boy. This is an institutional candle. Uh, can you guys see it? This is an institutional candle when there is a bearish, what did they call this? I forgot what they call this. But when there's something like this and the next candle is like big ass body, that is what is called a institutional candle. You just look it up on YouTube. There's a lot of people that's talking about that right now. And there was an institutional candle on you. I think it was US. Yeah, like, yeah, bro. I took this straight. You know what I'm saying? I took this straight and I get out over here because it looked like there was an institutional candle right here. So I get out over here, which was cool though. That you see, I and look at that institutional candle right here. I didn't take this straight though because I wasn't looking at nice. I was looking at S&P 500 and I took this straight right here and I get out over here. I'll show you the picture of it. Sometimes I be forgetting to take video or take a picture. I'll be forgetting. The only time I take picture is maybe I wanted to show my sister, like, oh, I entered into the trade and it's going my way. I just want like 2K out of it. You know what I'm saying? That is the only time, boy. And look at gold. Gold is going crazy, but I don't understand how gold move, bro. Like this should be moved. So at some point, I love gold, but now gold is moving like crazy nowadays. You can't even predict. I mean, you can predict it's gonna go up because of what is going on right now in the world, but right here, I feel like maybe it can drop from here. To be honest, though, because this look like there's a resistance over here, so who knows? It can actually block this shit and go up because if the world keep going crazy, it can keep going up. But S&P 500 is the most easiest trade to take, man. I fucking love it. Come here, baby. I love S&P 500, my boy. But we're not talking about S&P 500 today. We're gonna be talking about the Kangaroo. So, my number 10 rule is practice and overcome your fear. That's the most, bro. That's probably the most craziest one ever because sometimes you know the direction, but you're just scared of losing money. At the end of the day, you're still gonna lose money. You know what I'm saying? You're still gonna lose money. Why don't you just to how you trade? And that's for me, I trade Kangaroo. Even if I'm scared to take that trade and there's a Kangaroo, I will take the trade because of Kangaroo, because I believe in Kangaroo. That's why you need to to make your own strategy that work for you. And Kangaroo worked for me. It worked for my two students. Even I thought, like, literally, I said, you guys don't need to trade every day. Just trade like whenever you guys are not working and you see Kangaroo, just trade it, you know. And that's it. You To overcome your fear, you need to practice and practice and practice and practice. When you practice multiple times, bro, your instinct is you won't even need to read into you need you, I mean you don't even need to read more info into the chat. Like immediately you see what you're looking for, you take that trade. Like your brain just click. You don't need to be second guessing yourself. And that's the thing about strategy. Like if you stick to what you do, you take the risk. And me, right now, I love Kangaroo. I love Kangaroo, my boy. Man, I can't explain to you, man. Right now, when I see Kangaroo, I just take it. Even if I lose, I still take it. There was one time, it was on my Discord. I lost two Kangaroo. I lost two of them, two Kangaroo back to back. The next one, I took it and I won all my money back and extra, bro. I swear, I wish I can. Man, I don't know why I never record all this shit, man. I don't know. I should be recording this stuff so you can say it. And I have weakness though. I swear to God, like this shit is like they beat us back to back twice with Kangaroo, and the third one, like they said, third time is a sham. I told that Kangaroo and I won that shit, bro. Man, that was crazy, man. And this shit happened on, see, the same thing right here. Look at Kangaroo. It's everywhere, man. It's everywhere. The only reason why I took this trade is because there's a resistance up here, man, and that shit is strong as hell. And I told them on live. I went live and I told them there was only like two people in my live. I said, you guys need to trade. You guys need to take this trade. I said it's going to sell. Then, bro, man, it was on live, bro. I deleted the live, man. I did. I deleted that shit. Everything is, bro. I'll be going live. I think I'll be going live on. Let's do uh Tuesday and Thursday. I think that's I'll be going live now. Tuesday and Thursday. That's it. So don't miss my live. I'll be doing London session, just London session. I won't be doing New York session. But this year was beautiful, man. I didn't take all that trade because I think I played like 10 lots up here. I played 10 lot up here and it came back down here. Then I took profit, then I ran away. That's it. Then I went to go sleep. I said, if you want to hold, you can hold. I feel like it's probably gonna come here because you look like there's a like institutional candle right here. Right here. You look at it. That's why I told them, I said, just take the trade to this side. If you want to hold. If you don't want to hold, just get out right here. Me, I got out because I played 10 lot. That was a lot. I think it was like almost $1,000, bro. I took it and I ran away. That's it. Problem well, solution. Like it was just crazy, man. And this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I took this trade because of it was a support, and immediately I took it. It just went up. Man, that was beautiful, my boy. I mean, I don't know if I had the screenshot though. I don't know. I don't know. But this kangaroo works for both currency and indices, especially indices because that's what I trade the most, and it just be working crazy. Like it works so beautiful for me, bro. I hope you guys can see this. Every week I'll be doing like chart analysis. Like me, I trade uh, technical analysis. That what I take. That what I trade price action. And unless and I do stocks. So on US 30, US 30 there are 30 stocks that make up US 30. So if those stocks are green and my kangaroo is saying sell, I will sell. I just like kangaroo more than that. But the only reason I think it was this Thursday I did the same thing. It says sell, my kangaroo shows sell, but the stock was showing green. So I took it sell. Then it was going against me. Then I was like, okay, what am I supposed to do now? What am I going to do right now? I'll show you guys in the video though. I promise I'll show you guys in this video. I'll be doing voiceover on it. So I was scared a little bit. I'm like, I hope this thing does not go up. It was at this point. Come on, man, load. Yeah, it was this one. It got here. I think I put my take profit right here. But on 15 minutes, it was a lot of weeks. It was just rejecting, rejecting, rejecting. Yeah, let's see. Where's it here? Yeah, you see, it was playing around this side. Then I just took my profit right here, bro. I ran away because they keep playing around this area. They keep playing. I'm like, why are they playing? Like it was playing with my emotion, bro. It was fucking with me crazy for real, for real. It was playing with me. Then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna just take take this shit. But yeah, man, that's what happened, man. I will show you guys the video, and I'll be talking about like why I stay in that trade. And the stock were what's it called? We're going. In my head, I know if Kangaroo is always right, 85% right. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna stick to it and take out profit instead of me waiting for it to eat my take profit. You'll have eat my take profit to be honest. But because the stocks are still green, it affected my decision. So sometimes it does work when the stocks are all green and you are selling. Oh my god, you're going to have a terrible day. Oh my mom, bro. You're gonna cry. You will cry. I promise you, bro. You will cry. So make sure you look at the news at the stocks though to make sure if they're green or red. That gave me like a little bit confident because you see when it was going red this day, all the stocks was green. Every single US 30 stocks, they were all green. None of them were red. I'm like, bro, it looked like they did this shit on purpose. There's no way all the stocks were green. Every single US 30 stocks was green. And I actually ordered that trade to this side. Then I got out. I got out of this trade. Yeah, this one I got out. Man, it was beautiful though. It was beautiful. I actually thought it was gonna come here, but it didn't come here. This bastard. But it's all good though. There's a lot of stuff I look for though before I take a trade. So, but I won't be saying all that stuff. This is the only one I promise to give out to you guys, and I'm doing that right now. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome, man. Welcome, welcome. You know, I don't fake shit over here. I don't I don't do none of that shit, bro. I still have least, and sometimes I I be losing money, my boy. Oh my mom, I be losing money to the. I don't even lie, but 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 most of the time it's always profit, bro. Hey, all this profit back to back, back to back, back to back, back to back. And shout out to Stanley for creating this slide for me, man. I fuck with it, man. Like I show you guys, this is an example of a kangaroo. Like the body have to be the kangaroo have to close inside of that big body. Like I know this one does not close inside, but this was a resistant, and I was looking for a kangaroo in that resistant. So it formed a bullish kangaroo. Then I just took that trade, but I took it. And this one does not really close on it, but since it was a trend line, I just took it because I knew it was going to fall because it's already in downtrend. It's already in downtrend. And if it's in downtrend, all I'm looking for is bearish kangaroo. Is bearish kangaroo, bearish kangaroo. Um, and that kangaroo too. And that kangaroo right here. Some of them is like 15 minutes, 15 or 5 minutes. That's when I take those kangaroo. No. And I just use those indicator as what's it called? As a confirmation, you know what I'm saying? If I say kangaroo, then I look at my chart and it's saying kangaroo, then I'm like, okay, let me take that trade, you know what I'm saying? Kangaroo. But the most important one is that kangaroo have to be the inside of the previous kangaroo. This is the best one though. Those are the best one. This one, not really the best one, but since there's a long way, I won't trade this because this shit is too long, but since it was like I think it was like all time high at this area, all time high. Then I was looking for a bearish kangaroo, looking for a bearish kangaroo. Then it showed this one. Then I took that trade. Then it took me out with some loss. Then it not came back down. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? After it took me out, but it's all good though. Then I had another new opportunity to take the trade, my boy. But yeah, this right here, I won't consider it as a kangaroo to be honest because the the inside tail and the outside tail they look the same length, so I won't really consider it as a kangaroo. I mean, you can there's something that people does. They're like, oh, it's probably gonna come down here to kiss it, and it did, and it went up. But I'm not into all that kind of shit. But this is a good kangaroo though, but the tail is too long, so I don't take it. Like I told you guys, if the tail is too long, I don't take it. Look at this one too, beautiful one, beautiful one. Then it end inside this, and look at this one too. It end. I know this they call this one like hammerhead. Like look at the kangaroo. I don't call it hammerhead. I don't want to give it that fucking name. I call it kangaroo fucker. But yeah, man, the candle have to close inside this one. If you look at this, there's nothing like that until it came here, because this one you look at there's a resistance up here, rejection, 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 then fall, then came back here, reject from here, they can't gallo for, they can easily have took this trade, then put your stop loss right here, bro. That's a lot of profit, my boy. What? What? How much people is there? How much people is there? That is 330 pips. That's a lot. Boy, if you play 0.1, that's $3,000 right there in one day. But you don't need to. But, man, that's a lot of money, my boy. But you don't even need to trade every single day, bro. Just look for one kangaroo one day and trade and risk 2%. 2% out of my $100,000 is $2,000. So, and it's just. I mean, if you can't see this, you need prayer, bro. You need to go and pray, my boy. But normally you should be able to see this, man. If you just go to your chat and just look, just practice, man. That's all I'm asking you. And this shit is everywhere. Is everywhere, bro. It's on GJ, GU, but it's everywhere. But most of the time, it does not really occur that much on currency. But currency, you can see it on what's it called, on lower time frame. So Yeah, you should be able to see it on lower time frame. And I think I fuck with currency nowadays though. I won't even lie. But yeah, man, you can see all those Kangaroo indicator. This one is saying buy. Where is it? Buy, then it went up. Sell, then it went down. I mean, like I said, the indicator is not the best one, but it just gave me like the direction. Telling is like a confirmation for me. So uh I'll be talking about the indicator in the next video because this video is getting too long. This 40 minutes. I hope. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, man. That's all I have for you guys today, man. I'll be going in every single. I'll be making another video every single week about this kangaroo, so you guys can like see more of what I'm talking about. So what you need to do is like I said, every kangaroo is an opportunity, bro. Don't be scared. If it take you out, let it take you out, bro. Try it again, but just make sure your loss size is consistent, bro, and don't over leverage, bro. I know there was one time I over leverage and I blew my account last week. Um, oh sure, I'm not about to talk about that. That's another video though. That's another video. But yeah, guys, every week I'll try to make a video. I'll try to make a video about kangaroo so I can expose you guys more on kangaroo. And yeah, guys, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you guys click that subscribe button right now. You know what I'm saying? I put so much energy into this, man, to give you guys free sauce. Make sure you like that comment, man. Make sure you comment if you have any question, man. So any question you have and you comment, I'll be answering it in the next video so I can whoever have the same question so I can answer all those questions at the same time. I don't like to be replying all this stuff. I like to show it on the screen so I can help you out and help myself out. You know what I'm saying? For those who that are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. If you are confused about anything, make sure you guys comment. I will clear everything up in the next video, man. But if you don't comment, I don't know what kind of question you guys have, so I will just be talking like this about what I know. But if you have any question, I'll be willing to answer your question, man. I just know that make sure you guys practice. That's very important. And I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I know most of you guys are new to my channel. I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing. I'm definitely grateful for you guys being here, for supporting my journey, and for those people that want to be in my Discord link channel. Just send me an email. My email address is going to be in down below. Just send me an email, then I can send you to the to the link to join my Discord. And yeah, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. I'm just Lim. Peace out.